Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in our today video we will be providing you the information regarding how you can get SQL certification without free of cost. So without any cost, that is free of cost for you, and it is just if you are a subscriber of our YouTube channel. That is why you are getting this useful information. So for I will wanna to tell what is the SQL. So SQL is a simple structure query language. So it is a database that is important to maintain while working on the web apps, or even if you are working for the Android, you require to learn one or more databases. So in this video there are top 9 certification free of cost that I will be telling in this video. So watch this video till end. Before starting, click on the subscribe button and click on the drop down button and select all, so that all the important notification will be reaching to you on first on YouTube. And from a stat, we came to know that 96% of our viewers are not subscribing to our channel. So kindly subscribe to our channel, and we have completed 10,000 views, and we will completing 1,000 subscriber on YouTube in just 2 months. To provide some love and support to our channel, and by just share this video whosoever is looking for the uh, database certification. Now moving towards our update, that is first course is free SQL course by Create Learning, and they are providing courses like they are providing courses before 10 years. So they are one of the oldest tech course providers. So you can see there are different SQL related courses. You can go and enroll for it, and you can also refer these courses for getting 5 extra courses from the Great Learning. Now moving towards our second course, that is provided by Code Academy, and the name of the course is Learn SQL, and in it will be 5 hours of course, and it will be beginner level, and there will be 5 projects. So it will be project based certification. That will be great. And many of you have seen that so many of courses are paid for the certification. So I will be tagging this video like free courses. So many of certification are will be paid. So you have to see the course content is free of cost, but the certification will may cost you. But if you knowledge matter, not the certificate. So if you get the knowledge from the SQL, so just like this video, and this is an important topic you will be getting from this. Now moving towards our third course, that is provided by Udemy, free SQL courses and tutorials. So these are the free like SQL Foundation, SQL for Data Analyst, and Advanced Database, and SQL. Other important courses, you can check it out. Now moving towards our fourth certification, that is SQL for Data Science. So data science is a booming industry in nowadays. So it will be good for you to get SQL basics for the data science, data introduction to structured query language SQL. And I am thinking to provide it will be 15-hour flexible schedule. Whenever you have time, you can complete it beginner level. And I am thinking to provide a Python or C language course, or C++, Java, or JavaScript courses for you. So I am bit confused, like should I make tutorial on it, or should it will be project based learning. So just comment if you want project based learning, just comment project. If you want like tutorial based learning, just type tutorial in the comment box. Now moving towards our fifth certification, that is provided by limit SQL crash course. It will be 2 week course and it will be free of cost. If you require membership, you can also go for it. So these are the important topics listed here, like filtering or aggregation, sorting, other. Now moving towards our sixth course, that is provided by Triple Ten, and it will be free SQL course and it will be beginner level of 20-hour online course, and you have to start course for free, and other you can go. So many of these uh, course provider have their membership and other like payment for the certification. So if you are interested, then you can go. But my personal advice is, so you do not there is no need to go for the membership. If you have your mind for the membership, you can also go. Now moving towards our seventh course, that is Introduction to SQL, and it is provided by Simply Learn as Skill Hub. So Skill Hub has a has hand-to-hand membership with the IBM. So IBM, you know, lot of students know that it is a big tech company. So the course name is Introduction to SQL, and it will be free of course, and it will be 9-hour course, and there will be completion certification, and there it will be 90 day of assess. So these are the important topic like MySQL, Trigger, SQL Server, other. Now moving towards our eighth certification, that is provided by the Free Code Camp. So Free Code Camp have also the uh, their YouTube channel that are in the billion of subscriber. So you can also check it out. I will be providing the link of these certification and courses in the description box. So are the important topics like joins, nested query, or delete triggered ER diagram. Now moving towards our last certification, but not the least, in that is provided by IntelliPut, and free SQL course, learn SQL free, and 24-week online session, one major captain project and two minor, lifetime assess certification from the IBM that will surely boost your resume, and you can also get this. And let me see, there is a membership link or not. So no, you can just complete this and get IBM certification. So these are the important topics like SQL operator, transact SQL, SQL optimization, programmability, object, database, concurrency, and other. You can check it out. So I hope I have provide the sufficient content for you so that you will be getting to these certification and courses, and I will be providing the link in the description box. Now moving towards our YouTube channel. So if you go to the playlist section, you can clearly see that there are time worth it playlists for you, like Arcade Facilitator program that is run by Google Cloud, and the best certification courses. You can also check it out, and you can also check it out job and internship and other like scholarship and fellowship we are regularly posting. So we post one video at one day. So there is a continuous streak for of 2 to 3 months that we post one video and with one short. So it is just because of your because of our motivation that is provided by your love and support. So just like this video. So this is all about this video. I will catch you in my next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Have a good day.